Hi everyone. Let me introduce AI Programmer. It turns ideas into web pages quickly. No coding required. The AI Programmer is made of one AI page. It is like your own helper that makes web pages. If you have HTML code, click Edit and put your code in the HTML page box. You can change it by talking to Copilot or by yourself. To make a new page, click Copilot, then type what you need. For example, as Bika.ai, we are releasing a new version next week. So I need a fast web page to showcase new features and excite users. I tell the AI what kind of page I want and say, please design a Bika product launch page HTML with the following requirements. Then I give a few key points: dark purple gradient background, glass style design, countdown timer, modern techie look, works on all devices. Just a few seconds later, AI generates the full HTML code. I click Preview to check the page. If I like it, I click Apply and refresh. The page is ready. If you want to change the page later, just click Edit. You can update the HTML code yourself or talk to Copilot. It's very easy. I can share this page with clients, users, or my team to show the new version, promote our launch, or get more visitors. All of this takes less than a minute, and I didn't write a single line of code. With AI Programmer, you can quickly turn ideas into web pages. Want to try it? Go to Bika.ai, find the AI Programmer template in the Template Center, and start building your page right away.